Welcome to BOLDEC e-learning. This is the first video in the playlist MS Excel tutorial for beginners. So let's start first by the startup page, which is the page that welcomes you to Excel. On the left-hand side, we can see the recent workbooks list. This is where you will find the recent workbooks that you have worked on. And on the right-hand side, we can see templates provided or offered by MS Office team. So what are templates? Templates are ready-to-use workbooks with preset charts, formulas, formatting. So this will help you save a lot of customization and formatting time. For the sake of this video, we will start with a blank workbook. So what's the difference between a workbook and a worksheet? A workbook is the MS Excel file that contains all the worksheets inside. So every workbook has many worksheets inside. For example, this is book 1, and we have sheet 1 inside of book 1. The workbook is called book 1, and the worksheet is called sheet 1. Okay, we can add sheets using the plus button. So the main part of any MS product are the ribbons, and this is where ribbons are located on the top of your screen. The home ribbon is mainly for cells and font customization, including editing features. We can edit fonts from here, including some cells bordering, some fillings. We can work with alignments, wrapping, merging of cells, number customization, and many more. So in this video, we will explain about each ribbon in general. We will not go to details because future videos will include details about each and every ribbon for beginners. Okay, so for the insert ribbon is where you will find tools to insert pictures, charts, all kinds of charts. We will work with equations later, shapes, many more. Next is the page layout, and this is where you can edit or customize your worksheets. And you will set up printing preferences from this ribbon. We will talk about printing and plotting in a separate video because it's a very important feature of Excel and it's a very easy to use feature. Formulas ribbon, this is the main part of Excel. Formulas is everything in Excel. Whenever you need to automate anything, any equations, any addition, multiplication, you can use formulas. You can create averages, you can create sums. We will talk about formulas later because this is the main focus of Excel. The rest of the ribbons, data, review, view, and developer, these are advanced. We might use some tools from them during our videos, but whenever we will use something, we will talk about it and we will explain it in details. So let's talk now about cells. These are the cells of Excel, and the cell is the unit in an Excel sheet, and each cell has a unique name, which consists of the column and the row. So it's the intersection of a column and a row. So this is how you will call a cell. For example, this cell is called F4 because it's in the column F and on the row 4. So it's intersecting row F with column F with row 4. It's called F4. But let's say we want to select a range. For example, this range. What's the name of this range? Well, this range will be named according to the top left cell name, then we will add a semicolon, then the bottom right cell name. So, for example, this range, what's the name of this range? I will simply write here A1, which is cell A1 here, okay, semicolon, E13, for example. Okay, don't worry about the equal sign now, don't worry about anything I wrote. This is just a display of how ranges and tables are called. So this is the end of the first video on this playlist. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and press the bell button to stay informed about the latest videos we upload. Thank you and take care.